You're running through a forest, the wind in your hair, the smell of pine in the air. Suddenly you stumble, your heart leaps, and you wake up with a jolt. Or maybe you're just sitting quietly, imagining biting into a sour lemon, and instantly your mouth starts watering. What if I told you your brain, the incredible organ controlling your entire reality, often can't tell the difference between these vivid thoughts and actual physical experiences? It sounds almost unbelievable, like a trick of the mind, but the science reveals a profound secret about how our brains process information, a secret that can unlock incredible potential, or sometimes trap us in our own thoughts. Welcome to the Smart Side, the channel where we unravel the ingenious science and surprising truths behind the everyday. Today, we're diving into the depths of your mind to explore why your brain sometimes confuses reality with imagination, and what that stunning truth means for your life. For decades, scientists have been studying this phenomenon, and the evidence is increasingly clear. When you vividly imagine an experience, whether it's playing a piano, riding a bike, or even just tasting something, your brain doesn't just passively think about it. It actively lights up the very same neural pathways it would use if you were actually doing those things. Think about it. In one famous study, participants imagined lifting weights. Their brains showed activity in the same motor cortex regions as those who actually lifted weights. Even their muscles, without moving, showed subtle electrical activity. Athletes routinely use mental rehearsal, visualizing every step of a performance to improve their physical skills. Their brains are, in effect, practicing, building, and strengthening those neural connections, blurring the lines between thought and action. So why is our brain designed this way? Evolution plays a key role. For our ancestors, survival depended on rapid responses. If they thought they saw a predator, their brain needed to instantly trigger a fight-or-flight response, whether the predator was real or just a shadow. There was no time for a nuanced "is this real?" debate. It was better to overreact to a false alarm than underreact to a real threat. Our brains evolved as incredible prediction machines. They constantly create models of the world, testing scenarios and preparing responses. Whether the input comes from our eyes and ears, real experience, or from our internal thoughts and memories, imagined experience, the brain processes it through similar neural circuitry because it's trying to predict and prepare. The brain isn't built to differentiate between the origin of the information, it's built to react to the information itself. This is its blind spot. It reacts to the vividness of the thought, not its source. This remarkable neurological quirk is a double-edged sword. On the powerful positive side, it means our imagination is an incredibly potent tool for personal growth. Want to learn a new skill? Visualize yourself doing it perfectly? Want to overcome a fear? Mentally walk through the steps, imagining success. Practices like mindfulness and positive visualization leverage this very principle, helping us build new neural pathways for desired behaviors or emotional states. Athletes, musicians, and even surgeons use this to their advantage. But there's a peril. If your brain can't tell the difference, then constantly replaying negative scenarios, dwelling on worries, or imagining worst-case outcomes can trigger the same stress responses, the same anxiety, and the same neural pathways as if those events were actually happening. This can create powerful loops of fear, keeping us stuck in cycles of anxiety, even when no real threat exists. Your mind can become your own internal stress factory. So, the next time you vividly imagine something, good or bad, remember, your brain is treating it almost as if it's real. This profound insight isn't just a quirky scientific fact. It's a fundamental truth about how your mind works. It reveals the immense power of your imagination, not just for dreaming, but for shaping your very reality. Use it wisely. Were you surprised by how powerful your imagination truly is? How do you use your mind's ability to blur the lines between real and imagined? Share your thoughts and insights in the comments below. If you found this journey into your brain enlightening, smash that like button to support more smart content. Share it with a friend who needs a mind hack, and make sure to subscribe to the Smart Side for more mind-blowing discoveries. Your brain is more powerful than you know.